not a 4-cylinder, removing the starter. First off, remove the top part of the airbox, held in with two 10mm bolts. Pull that off. There's going to be a hose for the intake system right here, held in with 3 clips. Pull that off. You're going to have to undo two 10mm bolts right over here for the fan. Unplug the wire harness for the fan, pull the fan out, remove this hose a little bit to the side. Then you're going to have a bracket right above the oil filter right there, held in with 4 12mm bolts. Remove that, and then you're going to have access to right over here. There's going to be a bolt for the starter, and then the bottom one right over there, which are already removed. Then you can pull the starter out real quick, just like that. And then the rest of it, pretty simple. Undo the wiring, pull the starter out, and that's how you do a starter replacement on a 2009 Hyundai Sonata 4-cylinder. Quick and simple, no need to jack up the vehicle, really quick. Thank you.